Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore the word count tool in Google Docs. So let's say you're writing in your Google Doc and there is a word count requirement. Maybe it's a minimum requirement, maybe it's a maximum requirement. It doesn't really matter. If we go into Tools, you can click on Word Count. A little pop-up will open. It'll tell us how many pages there are, how many words there are, how many characters there are, how many characters excluding spaces, and this option, which will display the word count while we are typing. You might not need this for most of your typing, but let's say you're close to the word count and requirement, and you just want to know how close because you know you're going to hit it soon. You can click this box on, click OK, and then you'll notice this little window down in the lower left has the word count on it. And now if I keep typing it, the word counter goes up. So that's a nice little real-time indicator of how many words you have, which will be important if you have word count minimums or maximums that you need to hit.